Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make Windows 11 lightning fast with these simple tricks. First up, you just need to go to search menu and type view advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Check this to adjust for best performance option and checkmark use drop shadows for icons and checkmark smooth edges of screen fonts and select apply and OK for save changes. And now say instead of go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. Go to startup apps and just need to disable high startup impact programs. Just right click and select disable. Do the same thing for other high listed over here. And after doing it, just close up here. Third step, go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open it. Make sure storage senses stand on and select the temporary files option. Check all these boxes and select the remove files option and select continue. This will remove all the unnecessary files on our system. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.